Okay, so factor formula. So what can you see on factor formula? It's not only involving two different angles. When you have PQ means two different angles. Alright? So it also involving the operation between sine and cos. We can operate sine plus sine. We can operate sine minus sine. We can operate cos plus cos, cos minus cos. So your angle, when you have sine plus sine, your angle, the first angle come in will be add up, divide by 2. The angle after that, minus, divide by 2. Okay, so trigonometry sebutan, sine plus sine, you have sine cos. If you have sine minus sine, cos sine. So if you have cos plus cos, cos cos. So if you have cos minus cos, you have sine sine, but your coefficient here is negative. So when you're using formula, it's not only from the left hand side we express to the right hand side. Also, at the same time, we can use the right hand side express back to the left hand side. So, bila kamu tengok formula ini, bermaksud kamu mungkin akan jumpa P, Q, hasil tambah bahagi 2 dan angle lain. Betul? Kalau hasil tolak bahagi 2 pun angle lain. So, it will involve different angle. Not only P, not only Q, the result here also different angle, the result here also different angle. So it will be different from the compound angle before this. Compound angle just involve A, B, A, B, A, B. Double angle involving the angle to be half or the angle to be double up. So factor formula, you can notice that their angle will be independent. Tak sama. And then they start the operation how to plus sine and cos together in terms of one term. Or we easier to say this is how we express the sum to the product. If you're going from the left hand side to the right hand side means you are expressing the sum to product. So if you're using your formula from your right hand side back to left hand side means you are expressing from product form to summation form. Product pun maksudnya hasil tambah, hasil darab. Sum maksudnya hasil tambah tolak. Okay, daripada hasil tambah tolak sin cos ke hasil darab ataupun daripada hasil darab back to hasil tambah tolak. So two way of using this formula. So for the example, you can see the first one, express sin 6 theta plus sin 4 theta as a product of two trigonometry. So you are expressing sum to product. So you are guna your formula daripada kiri ke kanan. So what formula that you can use here? Sine plus sine. Sine plus sine. It will give you 2 sine and cos, right? Sine plus sine. So kena ingat sine plus sine cos. Kalau minus, terbalik cosine. So kalau cos plus cos, cos cos. Kalau minus, dia terbalik jadi sine. Dan coefficient dia negative. So the angle come in the front here, plus and divide by 2. The angle come after that, minus and divide by 2. Alright, so for our questions, number 1, sine 6 theta plus sine 4 theta equals to 2 sine and cos. Angle come first, add up, divide by 2. Angle come after that, minus, divide by 2. Simplify, what's the angle here? 2 theta bahagi 10 theta divide by 2, 5 theta. So this one minus 2 theta divide by 2 theta. So you can see from 6 theta and 4 theta, you result out 5 theta and 1 theta. From the summation, it will become a product, sine times cos. So this is factor formula, the pattern of factor formula. So number 2, cos minus cos, cos minus cos, it will equal to negative 2 sine, sine. Alright, so theta come first, add on, divide by 2, theta after that, minus divided by 2. So cos 7a minus cos 5a equals to negative 2 sine and sine. So find this theta, it will be add up, divide by 2. The theta after it will be minus. So 7a minus 5a divided by 2. So what is this theta? 12a divided by 2, 6a. 7a minus 5a, 2a, 2a divided by 2, a. So we express the summation form in the product form. Daripada hasil tambah tolak, jadi hasil darab dah.